We're going to talk about the confined space meter, or as they call it, a 4-gas meter. This meter has been around for several years. In the old days, you had a meter for oxygen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and LEL or flammables. Today, it's all in one meter. When you have the meter, you turn it on in good air because it will set that as normal air. And in this case, you can see 0% LEL, 0 parts per million carbon dioxide, 0 hydrogen sulfide. Oxygen is 20.9. The acceptable limits in a confined space for oxygen are 19.5 and 23.5. This meter can be worn and attached. You can lower it down. I like the meters that have a big teeth on it, so when I put it down, it's not going to pop out. This meter is 12 years old, and in 12 years I have lost the oxygen sensor once and the LEL sensor once. So you take it back to the company you bought it, they can just replace the sensor, often in the same day, and then get it back to use. Very important piece of equipment. Remember, when you do confined space, you have to write the readings down in a permit confined space. I recommend all the non-permits and alternative entries, make sure you're testing the air, because it's easy to sit there and have some case, 1 out of 1,000, 1 out of 100,000, where gases could be put in there, such as argon or carbon dioxide, and you didn't know what it was. This meter has saved a lot of people's lives. When we look at the thousands of deaths, they didn't simply test the air. For $1,000 or more, you could have detected the air was not safe, had presence of methane, hydrogen sulfide, high carbon dioxide, or low oxygen, and you wouldn't have sent the people in there. You would have to ventilate, and in the worst case, you might have to go in with SCBAs if you can't get rid of the product that's generating gases. I mean, 100 people a year die from confined space entry, so this meter is so important along with our ventilation. And having this would prevent over 1,000 deaths. Thank you very much.